Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you a really super simple and safe way to get your kids to start helping you in the kitchen, right? Like we could all use a little bit of help. And this is a really easy trick to get them started. All it takes is a strawberry and a straw. Let's get to it. So what I'm going to show you is how you can actually hull a strawberry without actually using a knife. So what you want to do is just take the straw and like have them at the bottom of the strawberry, press the straw up through it. You just kind of have to slowly work it in there. And then as you do that, the straw is actually going to pop the top of that strawberry off. So the green will just pop right out. So just kind of pop it in there and boom, it pops right out. The cool thing is you get this little fun little kind of palm tree looking thing when you're done with it. And you have a clean, nicely hulled strawberry, super simple. Anyone can do it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And hey, if there's something that you want to see, drop a comment down below. Also, I release new cooking videos every single week, so if you like to cook like I do, please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.